So, good day everyone. I'm John James Delgado, and today I will be presenting my library management system. For this project, I use Java Editability along with Swing to create a production-ready multi-module system. The system includes an admin dashboard with real-time statistics and a live pie chart, as well as modules for adding books, manage students, and handling borrowing and returning transactions. This project demonstrates how AWT and Swings can work together to build an interactive and user-friendly library system. So let's start. So first thing first is to run, and here's my mm, here's my landing page. Here's my landing page. So let's get started. So first is you must log in, put your username and password and log in. So login successful. So this is my dashboard. So kita nimo diri ang total books, total registered students, total borrowed books, and total returned books. And this is the form of add book forms. So add book module. So first is you must type a book name. So example is Bible. And authors James. Genre is God. Fantasy. No, God. Fashion Day. Journal. Price. Quantity 9. So, add book. So, mao ni akong kuha na ako confirmation. So, if magputang kag book. So, do you want to add this book? Title, author, publisher year, ISBN. So, yes. So, book added successfully. So, kita nimo dara ang Bible. So, back. So, add student na po. So, pag add student, student name, example, Zian Lagado, student ID, and 004915, department, CCS, and contact number, address, Nado de Pascat, Edo, PH. So, add student. So, add na. So, pwede naman sa ma-search dere. So, cancel. So, dito sa borrow book. So, dito na manghiram og libro. So, dere is magsili kang book nga iyang Hermon. So, Bible na Hermon daw. So, student name. Diyan daw manghiram. Student ID. Department CCIS. Contact number. Borrow date yung siya nanghiram. 09 09 2025. So borrow book. Ay due date pa di ay. Ay due date. So yung due date is 9 30 25. So yes. So nadaraan. So cancel. So pagka return book nimo dere, pag di na sa return book, so mapilit na sa mo pa huli nga one. So sisiyan na po. Sisiyan mag uli. From 0 9 15. So yan due date is ito is 09 30 25. So yung German is 09 24 25. So yung gi-return sa 09 kaya napula naman siya. So sayo siya giuli 26 na giuli 26 25. So return book. And so return, so maada siya dira. So pwede rin siya ma-edit and update. So pagbutan mo nag-edit, so matik na siya dira. So siya pwede po siya ma-delete. Record delete successfully. So pwede na siya ma-delete, pwede siya ma-search. So that's all my system, and thank you guys. So that concludes my presentation for the library management system. Through this project, I was able to apply Java Udility and Swing to build a functional and interactive system with multiple modules working together. Thank you for listening and open to any question you may have. Thank you.